What's going on, guys? Iceman here, coming at you with another video. This is going to be another tech video. This time I got new case fans. So I got some RGB case fans. They're going to be replacing the fans that are currently in the PC, and I'll go ahead and get you guys around here. So those two fans are going to be replaced by the white 120 mil fans. There's two of them, and then in this there's a 2-pack of 140 fans, and those will be replacing the front two fans on the radiator. So in this situation, I think I'm gonna swap the radiator around and put the fans on the front, pulling air through versus the air being pulled through the radiator. That way they just go through the fans and then through the radiator. Hopefully that'll be better. We'll see. But anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into taking this apart, and yeah, probably not going to show you guys the whole process of me taking these fans out, but you guys will see the finished product when I'm done here. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing these. Alright guys, so the first one I'm going to unbox is this 120 mil. This is the white fan, so this is going to be a little bit different than the ones that are in the 2-pack. Those ones are black, and I think they are a little bit slower in terms of speed, but they're a bigger fan, so they essentially give a little bit more airflow. So there's a little tab here that you can pull out, which is nice, and then there you're greeted with the fan. There's nothing else in the box. Greeted with the fan. It's a nice white, cool white color, and you go ahead and unbox that, and there you go. That's it. Got your screws, and that's your fan there. So that is the 120 millimeter. It's got little rubbers on it to help with noise. Gets rid of any potential noise from the fans. Coming off the fan, you have two little connectors. One is for your PWM fan controller, and then the other one's for your RGB controller. So these fans do not come with the hub. These white ones, let me get the other one out here. They do not come with a hub, so you're gonna either, if you only have that one, if you only have the 120 mils, sorry, and you need to get the fan hub, you'll have to buy that separately. And from what I was able to research, those those fan hubs are a little expensive. So yeah, I love how nice they flow. So they're maglev, I believe. Maglev, and then these are rated only at 36 decibels. The bigger ones are rated at even quieter at 25 decibels. So that is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this all straightened out here, and then we'll open up the bigger 2-pack of the 140 mils. Okay, so here is the 140 mils. This is a 2-pack, so it's obviously a lot larger. So in here you're gonna find 3 boxes. So this is going to be your accessories box. This is going to have everything you're going to need. So as I was saying, those 120 mils don't come with a fan, RGB fan hub. So this comes with the RGB controller that connects to the USB on your motherboard, and then it also comes with the fan controller, the fan hub. So this is your RGB fan hub, so it can support up to 6 RGB fans. We've got 4 here, so there's gonna be spot for 2 more if I ever get them. So there's that, and that's really nice. So that comes with the 2-pack, and then here's your USB cable. This connects to your little USB, the hub, and then your USB on your motherboard header. And then also with this comes your screws for mounting your fans, and then this is a little wire that connects from the controller to the hub. So this is the hub that connects there, the other end connects to the controller, and then your other screws for your 2 fans. So that's all that's in there, and then it comes with an instruction booklet. The booklet does show you kind of how you need to hook it up. It kind of skips over a step, so you'll have your USB fan hub, and then you'll need to connect between this, and then you need to, actually I think you need to plug in a SATA power to both the hub and the controller. So have to have 2 SATA powers available, so that's something to keep in mind when you're plugging this in. So let's go ahead and get the other 2 fans out. So these are the 140 mil. They are the black ones, so these are not the white ones. So they'll be a little bit different, but they're going to be in the very front, so you won't see them as much. So I wasn't too concerned about the color of these guys. So there's one, and there's the other one. So those are the 140 mils, much larger. So we're going to go ahead and get everything hooked up here, and I'm going to get my PC shut down, and we'll get everything plugged in, and I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, guys, I just wanted to make this little video too, just in case you have some questions about how everything is set up here. So if you don't get the big fans that come with this USB hub, I'm sorry, the RGB hub to be specific, then you're gonna have to buy this separate. So this is a whole separate thing here typically, but with the 2-pack of the 140 mils, it came with it. So this is the way it's hooked up. So they include a cable here. You connect it to one of the LED outputs on the LED controller box, and then your USB plugs into here. That goes into the motherboard. There's supposed to be a USB header on your motherboard available, and then you've got your SATA power for both the controller and the fan hub, the RGB fan hub. So that you'll have to remember. Now your fans themselves have 2 cables coming off. One is for your normal PWM hub. So if you don't have a PWM hub, get one, because these are PWM fans. Otherwise you're not utilizing the PWM part of it. And then there's also one that says to RGB hub. This connects to this hub. Okay, hopefully that clears everything up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything installed. You guys will see the finished product. Okay guys, they are in. So there's the 2 white fans, and then I've also got the radiator swapped around. So those are RGB, so they will illuminate through here, which means not gonna see it that much, but let's go ahead and turn it on and see what they look like. Oh, might help if I okay, now let's go ahead and try and turn them on and see how they look. Beautiful. Oh, that's so cool. Look at them. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, channel 1 is LLRGB series fans, and then we say 4 fans are connected, and then you go to the channel. Okay, there we go. I was concerned there for a moment. I thought they weren't going to be turning on here, but we're good. So they're currently doing a rainbow effect, as you can see here. It's pretty nifty. So there is a ton of LEDs in these fans. So what I want to do though is just a standard 1 color, static color, 0, and I think this is 100 for the rest of these. So that is it for now. We're going to keep them all the same color, and then that way it's all standard. So I'm really happy with this. I'm so happy that they're all Corsair stuff, so everything's managed through the same thing except for the motherboard lights. So you can see on the motherboard it has LEDs kind of along everywhere, even along the side here. So that is controlled through MSI software, but everything else is controlled through Corsair. And honestly, this thing looks beautiful now with these extra little bit of LEDs. So I know I want to try and get another LED strip to kind of go along the border, so that way everything's kind of lit up, but you know, do what you got to work with right now. So there we go, those 2 fans, the front 2 fans. Go ahead and see them through the front here. Look at that, it's beautiful. So anyway guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, like what you see. I do this tech stuff every now and again, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're at it, and just turn on those notifications. Then you get notified whenever I upload a new video or go live, and you can join me in some games when I go live, so it might be something you're interested in. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like. That way I know you guys are interested in this content, and I'll keep the tech stuff kind of coming. So anyway guys, thanks again for coming out. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.